said, ooh, baby, babe, I love you. You my everything. Can't get copyrighted. Need some music play. I love you. You my everything.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give.
Okay, what is up, guys? It's your girl Shayla, aka Smiling Queen. I am back on the video. This is a video I said I was gonna make how long ago? Well, not how long ago. In my other videos, I mentioned it. So I'm just like, I might as well just do it because I have to do my hair before I go to bed. So that way when I wake up for work in the morning, it's done. So I work at the hospital tomorrow, so it's probably gonna not make the best sense I'm doing this, but we're gonna do it anyway. I don't know if you guys noticed, I drew in my eyebrows, and I feel like I'm about to do the brown eyebrows instead of, the black eyebrows again instead of the brown one, because like in my other videos you're gonna see I've been wearing like light eyebrows, and I feel like these look better, but whatever. And I just drew this real quick because I know I was like in this video. So what I do is very simple, very easy. It doesn't take that long. Don't mind me, guys. I'm over here abusing this hair or this wig because yesterday I had went to my dad's house and it was hot as hell in the house, and I had to put my hair up. So you know what I did? I put it up, and when I came home yesterday, I got home late with my daughter, so I didn't do anything to it. I didn't braid it, nothing. So yeah, this is my fault that it's like this. But yeah. So what I'm doing right now is I'm wetting my hair. But yeah, I'm wetting my hair. I don't do my edges or anything at night because it doesn't make sense to, because I'm about to sleep on my hair anyway. I mainly try to focus on the ends because the ends are what matter the most. So I wet my hair, I get mousse. It doesn't matter what mousse, I don't think, because I think you should have like the same result. But I got this mousse from CVS. Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture and Twist Curly Mousse. Put some in my hand, put my hand together, rake it through my hair. So I do this, rake it through my hair, and take, like, you could do a denim brush or, you know, like a paddle brush. This is a, some brush by Kiss. And then I just comb it through. You really want to make sure the ends are a little damp because the ends, when it's time to come out of this, when they're frizzy, it makes the whole hairstyle look, I don't want to say hairstyle, but all of the hair look not good. Like, I don't know how to say it. You don't want it to be super frizzy. Like, you want some type of frizzy, but not super frizzy. But yeah, this is what you do. And then after I do this and I comb it out, then all I do is braid it. If you feel like it's a little bit too dry as you're braiding, you can add water. That's what I do sometimes. And then I just do this. And right now, it doesn't feel bad. It feels perfect, honestly. So I'm not gonna add anything. But yeah, I just kind of put my finger in between and comb it out to make sure that it's all smooth. And yeah. So then after I finish this braid, I'm just gonna speed up the video. Put some music to it, but yeah. My daughter's in here, so I hope she's not making too much noise. But yeah, this is how I do it. When you guys see the results in the morning, oh my gosh, it looks so nice. I've been doing this whole time I've had this hair, and everybody always, like at work, one of my coworkers was like, oh, when I was working at the school, not the hospital, my coworker was like, oh, do you use a wand curler. I was like, no, I just braid it. She's like, really? I was like, yeah, I use water things. She's like, oh my gosh, it looks like you use a wand curler. And I was just like, nah. So look, the ends are a little dry. So I just wet it. Might put a little, just a little bit, so that way it holds it. But I'm gonna do this. And boom. Basically the end of it. So I just go like this. I just into my hair. And voila. And then I'm just gonna do that for the rest of the braids.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I got this, put it in the song. Alright.
Pretty brown. It's one more time, and I'm about to take these braids down, and we're gonna get ready for work. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys after I finish taking it down. Let's listen to my music. So
Take a step out, get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost feel and a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Help me on my fears, my never faces I disappeared. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe.
nice. Alright, that's basically how you get these curls. I like to separate them. Usually, like in the morning time, they might be a little bit wet, so I like put the oil on it, and then once I feel that they've gotten a little bit drier, I'll separate them during the day. But since I work at the hospital today, I'm about to put some oil on it and just like run my hands over it, not through it, and I'm gonna put it in a ponytail because I don't want to say I can't have my hair out, but it's easier for me to not have my hair out when I'm at the hospital. So I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail and do my little edges and my frontal maintenance, and yeah. But yeah, that's how I get the curls the way I do. Like if you've seen my past videos, the curls are like always nice, and I feel like looks like I like spend a lot of time doing it, but I just braid it at night with some mousse, and that's it. And it makes it look so pretty. It makes it look like you tried to do something. You know, you always want to look like you tried to do something when you're going somewhere. So you gotta work smarter, not harder. So this was given in a ponytail. I probably should have done this a different time, like when I was like actually going out somewhere instead of going to work at the hospital, like maybe probably working at the school. But you guys get the gist. Yeah, I'll come back to you guys when my edges are done. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and you know, if you want more hair things I think that you guys, or I can help you guys with, let me know and I'll make a video. If I can't, I'll let you guys know I can't. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. I'm out. About to be late.